we are living in interesting times, in my opinion, right? I believe that hiring will look a lot more differently in few years to come. So let's listen to what Satya Nadella have to say about this, the CEO of Microsoft. So let's listen.
Never. I mean, everybody talks about their CRM database, but nobody uses it because, when was the last time I logged into CRM? Never. Except now, I'm every day querying my CRM database because it's so much easier because it's one agent away and it's working with all the other agents. So that is what's going to be the change.
So I will stop you right there. So what are agents? So agents are basically programs that can autonomously function on their own. They can basically perform tasks for humans or other agents or other system that based on the prompts that was given to them, right? So these are what agents are. So let's go on to the hiring part.
And when you're hiring people, I think in the future you'll now hire people plus their workflows.
That's exactly right. And in fact, that's the way to think about it. It's a swarm of agents. I mean, in a prosaic level, I kind of look at it and say it's not like when you hire a data analyst, you hire them and their spreadsheets. Yeah, that's kind of what it is, right? So it's like agents are going. I think 2 years from now, we're going to say, yeah, agents. I build them like all day, like I build docs and spreadsheets, and I think that's maybe.
And I come with a basket of them.
There you go. I have a basket of my agents, and I already see that, right? Like every SharePoint. I have a leadership meeting and leadership team in which there's like all these documents. The best grounding data is all in there. So I just have a simple agent now, which is a SharePoint agent that I'm always addressing, and it's fantastic not to just have to go to a separate entity and query it, but to have it right there.
All right. So what this simply means is that when you're in the next coming future, that hiring will look like is no longer about what programming languages you write. It's going to be about what workflows you have, what agents are you coming with you, right? What are the things that you've automated? What are the things that you can easily work with? So it's not going to be like, do you write JavaScript? Do you write Python and all of that? It's going to be like all of that plus the agents that you work with. What are your baskets of agents? What are you coming with? And another thing that I don't see a lot of persons talking about is how would your onboarding process look like? If I'm coming with my own baskets of agents and some other person is coming with their own baskets of agents, there has to be a way for onboarding to happen, right? Even when you're hiring humans, it takes let me say a few weeks for that person to get onboarded, to understand how the business of the company hiring him or her works. Normally that would take weeks, but in this agentic era is going to be take probably hours for this to happen. So the whole onboarding, so if you're into the onboarding business, you can actually be thinking, okay, how can I start thinking about how to onboard agents for businesses? It's going to be another whole stack of agents that can onboard other agents. I'm just thinking out now, but yeah, that's basically it. And in my opinion, like I said, we are living in interesting times, and these are things that you need to start thinking about. You also need to be ready because things are just being thrown towards like bombs, right? You just have to move with it, right? So you don't get left out basically. So yeah, I'm going to drop the link to this particular interview with Satya Nadella in the description, so if you're interested in watching it, then you can find that there. So this is Amarachi, and I'm signing out, and thank you for watching. Bye.